Alright, so what is up guys? In the previous session we learned about what is clone function and the difference between clone and the instance.new function. So in this session we'll be understanding what's the difference between local script and normal script. So the main difference between local script and normal script is that in the local script, the changes or the game functions you apply, it's done only for one player. So if you were to add an instance or a part into one player's, let's say, game, then you will be using the local script. But if you want change or the game change to be done for every single player, then we use a normal script. So the normal script, it applies for every single player, whereas the local script, it applies for a specific player. So there are certain services, or you can say functions, which can be accessed only through the local script and not the normal script. One of the services is called game get service user input service. And certain events of this service is that you can say input began or input ended and so on. Whereas in the game, the normal script, what you can do is that you can change entire game's logic, or you can change maybe certain properties of the workspace, or maybe everything which changes for every single player. So that's where we use the normal script. Normal script, you can use certain services such as player and players. So this is a service we can access through the script and players, and one of the event is player added, where we can use it to check if a new player is added into the game or not. So if when a new player joins the game, then whatever function we write in this, the code runs. So that's basically the difference between local script and normal script. If you guys have any doubts, queries or whatsoever, kindly comment down, and till then, stay safe. Bye bye.